What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on, is CPA marketing worth it in 2019? Is it still profitable? All that fun stuff there. So a lot of people took, interpreted me not making any videos on CPA marketing for, the last couple of weeks here as it's no longer profitable, or I no longer do it, or, whatever the case may be. And that's not true, guys. I still do CPA marketing. Absolutely love CPA marketing. That's how I was able to, buy my car in 4 days cash. That's what literally took me from damn near no money to, making six figures a year. So I will always be doing, CPA marketing for the most part or whatnot. It's just that now they're really, things have changed or whatnot. So now I got my own CPA network, and all that fun stuff. Not to mention over the last 2 weeks here, I've been really hitting the Amazon FBA super hard. And a lot of people came in, and subscribed for the Amazon FBA video. So I wanted to, help them out, get some of their questions answered. Not to mention a lot of the people, from the affiliate marketing wanted to do this too because it's extremely easy. So, I just wanted to make a bunch of videos on that, to really try to help people out and see if this was for them or not, and actually go out and show people I'm actually doing it versus a lot of people who just talk about it, and all that type of stuff. But yeah, guys, like, everything is still the same with CPA marketing. Nothing has changed over the last however many years it's been out. Like, everything is the exact same. You got your traffic source, your landing page, your offer, you get paid. Done. I even took this method right here, called it the 1-2-3 method, and literally showed you guys how I took $150 and turned it into $45,000 in a course of a month and a half. I've showed you guys how, on a smaller scale where I've taken, barely any money and turned that into like $2,000 or $3,000 a week. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't make it any easier, right? Like, I can't make it any easier for you. Like, literally, I take you guys step by step how to do stuff. Like, if you watch my channel and you've been on my channel for since day one or however many months or whatever, if you aren't making at least $1,500 or at least, like I say, like maybe $1,000 a month, like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, I can't help you. Like, I get some people, they'll message me and be like, "Hey, I've been watching all your videos, and I'm a beginner. I want to make money online." Like, if you've been watching my videos and you aren't making any money, it's because you aren't doing shit. I'm just keep it 100 with you, and I'm not being a dick or anything along those lines, But that's really what it comes down to. Like, there isn't a single person that's been in Team DeAngelo or watched my YouTube videos and not make money. The only way you guys can not make money from my channel or from my training is if you don't do it. You know how I know? Because it's exactly what I do to make money. I'm not one of those people that, will tell you something I used to do or tell you something, that I've never done, or anything. I'm telling you guys what I'm doing right now. Right? I'm doing this right now. You guys are seeing the results right now. So the only way you can't see those same results is if you either don't put in the work or you just don't do it. It's just that simple, So yeah, guys, everything has been the same since day one. Not to mention now I got my own CPA network. So, that's been taken off. I've been putting in some work with that. Then, not to mention, I've been making my own CPA offers instead of like going through other CPA offers and stuff like that, because it really does suck when you run campaigns on Shave Bounty or Cash Network and stuff like that. And you can just see like them basically stealing your leads. They're shaving your clicks. They're giving away your fucking campaigns, all that type of stuff. It's like extremely annoying. And, that's really hurting a lot of pockets. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand that they're trying to make money, but at the same time, it's like, that's really fucked up. They're giving away your campaign to, this person, this person, this person, this person, and this person. That's why if you've ever given away your campaign to your affiliate manager, or you've showed them your landing page and you told them where you get your traffic from, and then out of nowhere, like, your shit just starts plummeting, and like, you just like notice all your current conversions are going down and you're still spending the same amount of money, but you're making way less money. That's because your affiliate manager just gave that campaign out to a bunch of other affiliates, and now they're also running the same campaign, and that's why, you're no longer making the amount of money, or you're not even profitable anymore. So everything is just going down. Not to mention, again, they're shaving you super hard, especially if you're in like Max Bounty, or if you're running any CPA offer on any CPA network, damn near, unless it's a private owned network with, what do they call them? The email submits, right? For like iPhones and stuff like that. That is a complete waste of time. Like, I mean, you really have to like know what you're doing to run those offers, because you get shaved out of, I would say like 99% of those leads. It's like, I mean, there's really no point. Like, you do not get paid for the actual lead submit. You know what I'm saying? Like the lead or whatever. You don't get paid for email submits. You get paid when they either go through and complete an offer or something like that. Like, I don't even know how CPA networks still put those out there, knowing damn well they don't pay on the actual email submit. But I mean, it is what it is. Again, I understand that they got to get paid, but I just got tired of the shit. I got tired of all that. And I know a lot of other people who was tired of that, so that's why I made the Oryx network. That's a no shave network. And that's pretty much the end of that. But yeah, guys, I still do CPA marketing. I still do affiliate marketing. I still do email marketing. I still do all the stuff I used to do or used to show on the channel anyway. It's just that there's really no point in showing it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, everything I've already covered. We got videos on Facebook groups, got videos on Instagram, got videos on Facebook, got videos on like everything you can possibly need as a brand new person getting into affiliate marketing. Now, if you're one of those people that be like, well, you don't have videos on native ads and you don't have videos on tracking software and cloaking, and obviously I'm not going to have videos on that. One, I already got people who've paid for that in Team DeAngelo level 2. And 2, if you can't afford a training course, you can't afford to run the damn campaign anyway. It's just that simple, right? If you can't afford a $500 course, then you cannot afford to run any native ads campaign. You can't afford to run any of those type of campaigns at all. So stick to level 1, okay? Like, I'm not at the highest level either or whatever. I stick to my own level. Like, I leveled up just like everybody else over the last like 2, almost 3 years here now, right? I leveled up, in stages. You know what I'm saying? Like everyone else. When you play a video game, you don't just go out and start fighting level 50 monsters and you level 1, right? You get your ass kicked every single time you die with one hit. Same thing when you're trying to do this marketing stuff, guys. Like, you got to go and do one level at a time, right? If you're level 1, you versus level 1 monsters. You versus, that's when you're going to do CPA marketing in free traffic. You're going to do Facebook groups. You're going to do, like YouTube comments, stuff like that. Little stuff, guys, okay? You're not going to jump out, and start trying to run a native ad campaign with $300. Like, that's just stupid. You're going to lose all your money. You're not going to make anything. Like, because $300, you can't afford anything that you need. You can't afford the tracking software. You can't afford, to pay a developer to code and edit all your landing pages and stuff. You can't afford, the spy tools. You can't afford to get in any of the CPA, the ad networks, because normally they charge $500 just to get into the ad network. Now, that's money you get to use on the ad network or whatever, but they have like a minimum $500 deposit. So, if you can't afford a course, then you can't afford any of the training in it. It's just that simple, But again, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not trying to be a dick or anything along those lines or whatnot, because there are going to be things that you just can't do. At your current level. Like, when I first bought, campaigns that, bought training or whatever that was in the 4 figures, like, I did not understand it. I had to go back and do research and come back like literally like a week or 2 later, and then I was able to do that stuff or whatnot. I had to go back and run some other campaigns, try to get the feel for stuff and start being able to connect the dots to be able to get up here to what was at that point at the stars. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm still down here on the ground. I'm trying to get up here to the stars, and I just didn't know how to get up there. All this stuff was like a whole cloud of just stuff that I just didn't understand. So once I understood this stuff, the cloud went away and I was able to touch these stars up here. Now I'm trying to touch the further beyond stars and all that stuff, but I'm not just trying to jump up there on day 1, or you could fall down and break your fucking neck. You know what I'm saying? But again, that is pretty much it, guys. Yes, I still do CPA marketing. Yes, CPA marketing is still profitable in 2019. You just have to have the right materials. You got to have the right courses. You got to have, the right information. And then you got to actually take action. Because even if you got, you can know all the ingredients to something, but that doesn't mean you know how to cook it, right? You can know exactly how to make, whatever, like your favorite dish is or whatever. Like, you can know all the ingredients to it. But until you actually cook it, that's when you will learn if you know how to, make it or not. Like, you can know how to run a campaign. Like, you can know how to do, everyone has all the ingredients, for making a successful campaign for the most part. We all have access to the same traffic sources. We all have access to the same landing pages. We all have access to the same developers. We have access to literally everything, almost everything the exact same, but yet some people make money and a lot of people don't make money, all right? So just put in the work. That's pretty much all I can say, guys. Yes, I still make videos and stuff like that. I'll be making some more videos on the CPA stuff coming soon here, especially with the new CPA network I got up and running. I said just been super busy making the new CPA offers and all that stuff. But again, that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want the training on how I became a six-figure marketer, it's down below in Team DeAngelo.